Hope you're all doing fine. It is so nice to be back in another episode, meeting you all once again. So in today's video, I would like to share about winter requirements in our wardrobe and winter requirements for basic skincare. The urge that made me to do this video is, I read an article that this time European winters or European continent will have longest winters. So it is September and already the temperatures are below 20 degrees, and last week there was a day where the temperature was around 8 degrees or 9 degrees. So I thought doing this video now would help tourists or newcomers coming to Europe to get mentally prepared. So let's get started. So winters may be of 2 or 3 types. One is the start of the winter, where the winters is mild to moderate, and definitely it again jumps to heavy winters or snowy winters. There is no in between mostly. So for mild winters, when the temperature is below 20 degrees, what you need? You need a jean jacket or a pullover or a sweatshirt. So with this, you can happily enjoy your outings. So I would show what I have with me. So a jean jacket, you can wear your thermal t-shirt and on it you can wear your jean jacket. Next is a sweatshirt. You can wear your t-shirt and zip it. And next is a pullover. So pullovers like this, it keeps you warm as well. With this, you can survive temperatures below 20 degrees very easily. Next is temperatures below 10 degrees or in single digit, otherwise snowy winters. So for all this, I almost follow the same pattern, layering. So for cold winters below 10 degrees, having a proper jacket is very essential. So it can be your step jacket or your leather jacket or your cloth jacket, but it should help your body withstand the outer temperatures. So I would show what I have. I directly jump to my heavy jacket. So it also comes with a hood. So it is like this. So these jackets help. This, you could use your step jacket as well. So this also helps. Some jackets have hoods, some do not have hood. This actually have a hood, but I just removed it because of inconvenience. So in those cases, you should wear a cap to it. So make sure your woolen cap that you're wearing doesn't have holes. So it doesn't have a space to breathe easily, or doesn't have an inlet for the cold winds to enter. So these type where it is knit and has a continuous layer from inside prevents cold air to enter. Stole or a muffler to just help the air that is penetrating through your neck to stop. So this, you can easily wear this like a stoler or the way you want or the pattern you like, and wear your jacket, wear this and your cap. In addition to that, your jeans pant goes very easily. Otherwise, try having a pair of thermal pants. So thermal pant, you could see how it is inside. So it has a layer like this inside. So it helps you from the cold winds. So this is the basic essential things that is needed. So your jacket, woolen cap and a muffler. Also, for very cold winters, wearing gloves is very essential. Last but importantly is a pair of gloves. During snowy days or cold winters, because of the cold, the fingers become numb and you cannot even feel anything. So having a pair of gloves is very important. Also with the shoes, normal shoes and lightweight shoes don't work in peak winters. Normal winters, normal days, you can wear your cut shoes or your full close shoes or your canvas shoes or your Nike shoes, sport shoes or anything. But for peak winters and snowy days, investing in thermal shoes is very important. As you could see, they have an extra layer of fur or cloth inside, keeping your feet extra warm. So next is the basic skincare. So I will show you what is the basic skincare that I use. Body lotion from Nivea. You can invest in any brand as per your choice or as per your skin suits. This suits my skin, so I use a body lotion from Nivea. A moisturizer from Neutrogena. Importantly is a lip balm. It can be of any company. I use one from Ombia, which we easily get at Aldi. They are very nice. I have been using this since few years. Continuously the heaters are on, so drink enough water, moisturize your body, not only your body, moisturize your lips as well. Stay hydrated. This will help you overcome your winters. So I think this video would be very useful for anyone visiting cold countries for the first time. If yes, give it a big thumbs up, share to your friends as it would be very useful for them. Also do let me know in the comments if you have missed something so that I would start practicing from next time. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.